APLD stock analysis tomorrow and onward Friday. In this 1 minute video, I'm telling you whether Applied Digital stock is a buy or not for me, so watch till the end. Especially looking at Applied Digital with a $10.41 level. 1.4% correction is not that crazy, but I'm looking to just double down on this and take it further up. I don't know about you, man, but talked about this so many times before. If I pop up here, you will see that with APLD, I have like 50 results in the Discord, so it's like nothing novel. All I'm like briefly waiting for is just a second break above 1091. And if I do not see that taking place, then I'm not gonna take things further up. Very simple. The real stuff is that I've been bullish since this was like $5, 5.65 month back, and ideally I want to continue with this whole bullish market, but only if there's that second break, and that's going to be the swing idea, right? Then lower time from one, I'm still looking just to double down the most that I can out on that, and I'll obviously continue to keep you updated. But if you want to learn my exact play and sauce, just click the first link in the description. To 100 people have already tried it, absolutely risk-free. This is like how if you want a shortcut, you're learning 5 years, right? Check it out. You get all this.